Section 9.4. The hyperbola. The equation xy is equal to 8 is not the equation of a straight line. When we change the equation to y is equal to 8 over x, x is in the denominator. For a straight line, x is not in the denominator. To draw this graph, we start by drawing up a table. I chose some values of x to make the division easy, and found the value of y for each value of x. Notice that there is no value of y when x is 0. We cannot divide by 0. Once we have the ordered pairs, we plot them on the graph, and then join them with a smooth line. We haven't seen a graph like this before. It is in two parts. One part is in the first quadrant. X and y are both positive. And the other part is in the third quadrant. X and y are both negative. Although the graph gets closer and closer to the x-axis, when x is very large and when x is very small, it never touches the x-axis. The x-axis is an asymptote of the graph. For the same reason, the y-axis is an asymptote of the graph too. If we folded the graph paper along the line y equals x, half of the graph would cover the other half. The same thing would happen if we folded the graph paper along the line y is equal to negative x. The line y is equal to x and the line y is equal to negative x are axes of symmetry of the graph. The points closest to the origin are on the axis of symmetry y is equal to x. Spend some time going through worked example 1.